So that, now we're going to go away from Iceberg Pond. We'll go back around it now that we've cleaned out the stream.
That's also over there.
What?
Over there is the tree there over there.
Well, here's a rock.
You did it.
We did it. We done did it. Here's those pricker bushes that have always been there ever since the beginning of time. So we've lived here 17 years now. Ouch. I got little prickers in me. Alright, that's the end of the prickers now. This would be a good place to put a swing.
Oh, right.
For little Desmond, upcoming grandbaby. We're going to have fun with our grandbaby, aren't we?
Hope so.
Yep. No need hoping. What will be, will be. Hey, you know what? If you could bring one of those logs. Is there a log here we could bring and put over this dip? This dip always gets us wet. Yeah, I know, but they'll still be in the water when we walk across it. Rotten or not. Right in the way. You're going to get spirited. Ha! Look at that. Well, it broke, but now we have this one we can put beside it. Or we could push that a little further this way.
Okay.
All right, now then. You're not going to even try it? Well, just for that, I'm going to walk back on it.
I guess.
It's perfect, Willem. Perfect. I'll get another one. Everyone must breathe. This is how it works. You're young until you're not. Everyone must breathe till their dying breath. Played November rain. The song was really long, but it's a good refrain. Do 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 do. Where did it break? Right there. Perfect. Look at this, Willem. We are going to have a bridge. A 2-feet bridge. Hi.
Hi, darling. You did it.
It did it. It broke at the end, of course. Which one was that broke? Ha! We have a bridge now, Willem. This is how it works. You're young until you're not. Try until you can't. Everyone must breathe till their dying breath. The song is really long, but it's a pretty song. Do 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 do. This is so cool to finally have a bridge over this. All this time I wanted to have, I thought if we could take some wood, take some dirt and dig it. Okay. Now did you wish to try it?
Yeah.
Mwah. Mwah.